y'all? We are back with a shoe care tutorial. Look at this special effect. I didn't even try to do this. But okay, so these are the shoes, right? They look like they're on my feet. Maybe it's just me, but bah! So I wore these to Universal Studios this weekend for 2 days for my son's birthday, and I cleaned them up a little bit earlier today, but I ran out of the foam cleaner. So I originally got this kit at Vans. It comes with the brush, with the waffle shoe cup, or the waffle brush, and then it's a travel kit, shield, cleaner, and refresher for those stank feet. But this one, the travel one, came with a itty bitty bottle, so when I got to right here, I filled it back up with water, but it wasn't as strong anymore. So I went by Vans, picked up this one. This is the shoe care canvas kit, and this one comes with some type of foam brush, and we're gonna try this one out. Vans shoe sponge. My bad. And guess what? I got the Kyle Walker Pro 2's. I found them at the outlet. I told y'all I was looking for these, so I get to skate another pair. But right now I'm just rocking them. I was gonna grab any pair, but these flower jump offs are hitting beautifully, and they're comfortable. Like I said, first time wear at Universal Studios, they did their thing, straight up. Alright, but let's get into this cleaning. Shoop. Fix that. Okay. So, there's still some markup. Hopefully you can see it. Right? And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean it with this foam cleaner. Got the bigger version in this one. Way bigger than the other one. Let's check it out. Let's compare. So this was the travel size, and then this is the big boy. So this is the papa. This is the little boy. You know what I mean? They're a squad. But anyways, I got the big one, and we're not gonna use this one. I usually use this one, but I'm gonna let that one dry, because that one takes a long time to dry. This sponge is probably gonna do the same, but it's gonna be clean, because what this one does is it gets a lot of the dirt off, but I think this foam, or the sponge one, is gonna really wipe it off super clean. So let's take a look. What I usually do, I dip it just enough in the water just to get half of it wet, and then I add like 2 pumps of foam. 1, 2. Alright, so dude, I didn't even bring no napkins. Good thing we got this turf. We're gonna wipe it on this turf, and it's gonna clean it, hopefully. Or I'll just run in real quick and get something. But oh, look how good. Oh, see, that's why you only wet half of it, because the other half you can come back the dry side and just wipe it up. And I didn't even really have to put much on there, and that thing's spiffy looking. Look, I have a scuff mark right here. Let's try it. Let's put some on the foam side. And let's wipe it up. Yeah, looks good to me. Looks good to me. But yeah, I just wanted to show you how I clean my shoes, and I use the Vans care kit. I am not a spokesperson for Vans. I did work for them for about 6 months at a Vans, but I've always been a part of the Vans family. Like, Shout out all of y'all. I love all of y'all. But please bring these back. I'm telling you, I'll rock any pair. And these came out super spiffy. With the white waffle. And look, they stayed clean through Universal Studios. The shoe is no joke, y'all. Get y'all a pair. Janowski slip-ons, but with the extra strap to keep your ankles braced. Vans, if you're listening, bring them back, for real. Alright, y'all. Love you. Stay tuned. We got more on the way. I'm about to do an unboxing in my next video. It'll be the unboxing of the Oculus. Scratch that, not the Oculus anymore. The Meta Quest 2. We are now entering the metaverse. I love y'all. Stay tuned for more. Peace.